What's going on, everyone? Thank you for checking out this Hunt's First Look video. My name is Josh, and today I get my hands on the brand new Tamron 50-400mm lens for full-frame Sony E-mount. The 50-400 creates an entirely new category for high-performance ultra-telephoto lenses with an 8x zoom starting at 50mm. This means no matter what you're shooting, you have a lens that can handle a wide variety of situations with a maximum f-stop of 6.3 on the long end, making it perfect for travel photographers or videographers. Adding to the overall ease of use is the 75-degree full rotation of the zoom ring for incredibly fast zooms. This means when you're out and about, you don't have to worry about missing the perfect shot because of an unreasonable zoom ring. One of the most unique and impressive features to me is the macro capabilities on the short end of this lens. At the 50mm mark, you have a minimum focusing distance of just 9.8 inches. This gives you a 1:2 magnification ratio from 50 to 70mm, allowing for some surprisingly close focusing and making macro a true possibility. I do want to mention the overall size and weight of this lens, as it is smaller and lighter than most traditional 100 to 400mm lenses while giving you even more reach. The lens measures in at just 7.2 inches when collapsed and weighs just over 40 ounces, giving this lens an advantage over some of the most popular telephoto lenses. As with all of Tamron's new lenses, you have full access to any camera-specific functions and features like the different autofocus modes, which brings me to some of my favorite customization points. The user has the ability to set A and B focus points to automatically shift between the 2 points with ease. You can set and move to the designated focus point with a single button press. You also have the ability to swap the function of your focus ring to control your aperture if desired and change the direction of your focus ring. One of the clear goals of this lens seems to be creating a piece that can be honed into each individual creator's shooting style, and honestly, I am all about it. A few more notable features are a USB-C connector, which can be used for firmware updates and lens customization, Tamron's VXD drive for fast and accurate autofocusing, and full compatibility with cameras as new as the Sony A1 and the FX6. Overall, this lens is definitely designed for any passionate travel and adventure creators looking for some serious reach. With its moisture-resistant design, incredibly short minimum focusing distance on the wide end, and the impressive 50 to 400mm reach, the possibilities really kind of are endless. Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's First Look video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about this lens specifically or anything else camera related, please don't hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, reach out on one of our socials, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.